Hindi pa tapos ang speech, hindi ko na rin okay. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, National President, Kuya Nelson Sarapu. Ay, sorry. Sorry, actually Kuya, this was supposed to be my speech 2021 nung induction namin. Namali lang ako open. Ulit. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, National President, Kuya Ronald de los Santos, PL Commissioner, Kuya Lennon.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you,
the Governor of the Province of Northern Samar, our very own, Solid Wainon, Kuya Harris Christopher Unchuan. Also, the Governor of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Eastern Visayas Region 2, Northern Samar, Kuya Galahad Vicencio. And the Vice Governor of EVR2, Kuya James Laniwan. To the club presidents and members of Katraman Eagles Club, Ipapolan Eagles Club, North Sound Eagles Club, Sumuroy Eagles Club, Mantaragit Eagles Club, Masarigan Eagles Club, Maricon Eagles Club, Norte Sineranan Eagles Club, and Solid Wainon Eagles Club. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It is my honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you to this untitled event. Maraming maisip na title eh. Kaya nilagay sila dyan, fellowship, or we may call it, how are you, EVR2?
Yeah.
Pwede na, kuya na. I just want to share my experience when the first time when we attended the National Convention in Cebu. Kahit hindi kami kasama sa qualified umaten pa din kami ng National Convention yan sa Cebu. And siyempre we were excited to meet our kuya from all different parts of the Philippines, excited to meet the National President. And so, siyempre, shake hands, and we were, magkaroon kami ng chance na ma-meet sa MP. So excited kami. Marami kami, kami Alex. So, yun, shake hands. Hindi ko lang that time na hindi pala tayo okay kay MP. And then, to my surprise, nung request kami sa kanya ng picture taking, wala na. Tumalikod sa amin. So, na-disappoint ako. Actually, disappointed ako sa doon. Pero okay lang din naman dahil nung umattend kami ng convention center, mas masaya pala sa labas. Ang event sa labas ng convention. Anyway, sinare ko lang yon dahil parang last time na hindi pa si Kuya Nelson ang di ba si Kuya Ronald ng NP? Parang ipinagkait sa atin ang NP. Pero nung si Kuya Ronald na, nakadalawang beses na siyang mag-induct sa atin dito na Norte Sineranan, and then sa amin, sa Solid Wainon noong 2024 last year. So I just want to emphasize na napakaswerte natin sa EVR2. Kumbaga, hindi na natin kailangan umattend ng convention dahil si Kuya MP nandito na sa atin kahit walang induction. Salamat po.